everybody, welcome back to Lady Fire's Kitchen, and today we have Creole shrimp and grits. If you have not had shrimp and grits yet, you should, okay? One time we went and I got my shrimp and grits and I was still like, not quite the way I like it, so I'm gonna teach you how I like it. So let's do this. I'm gonna put here, my skillet was too hot, so I had to take it out because I didn't want to start splattering all over the place. I have it on medium high, and we have about around 6 pieces of bacon. So we're gonna fry this. Obviously I let it cool off a little too long. Just go on high. And I think I previously cut it, but this is a whole slice of bacon. So that's 2. But you can put as much bacon as you want, you know. I'm just giving you like a guide to start with, but if you decide you want more bacon, go for it. You know, I'm just giving you like an outline. This is what I think you should do. You know what? I think I'm gonna put more bacon just to say that. All right, guys. So I put at least 6 pieces of bacon. They say you don't like bacon, you can use turkey bacon. You don't like bacon or turkey bacon, then you can use pancetta. Or prosciutto, but bacon is best in my opinion. Just cook it until it's nice and crispy, and then you take it out, but don't throw away that grease because we're gonna use that. Okay guys, so I'm taking the bacon out. Look how beautiful that is. It smells so good in here. There's nothing better than bacon. Bacon and butter. Bacon, butter, and garlic. That's my favorite things. All right, so I'm not throwing this away. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna reduce the heat a little bit because it is hot, and I am going to add 1 small onion to that garlic to that fat from the bacon. Hi guys, my cameraman messed up here. Anyway, I took the bacon out. Look how beautiful that is. And I took 1 small onion, medium sized onion, and I'm frying it on the bacon's fat, okay? About a minute or so. And then I'm gonna add some yellow and some red peppers. About half a cup. Okay guys, I'm ready to add my red pepper, and my yellow pepper is about half of it. Half of each, okay? And I am adding it here to my onion and my bacon fat, and I'm throwing it all over the place except inside. Don't do that. And we're gonna let it cook for another minute. Okay guys, so I'm putting the, it is high, on low, the heat on low, because I'm gonna put the garlic and I don't want it to burn. I know you have heard that before. Put it right in the center. As soon as you smell it, let's add a cold agent so it won't burn. I'm going to add a half a cup of white wine. You can put Chardonnay if you like, but I'm gonna baby the garlic. Oh wow, that smells great. Okay guys, I'm ready for that half a cup of white wine. Let it cook for a minute, let that alcohol dissolve so we can extract some flavor. Okay, so we're gonna put half a tablespoonful, you all right? of Creole seasoning, and whatever you prefer as Creole seasoning is fine. Throw it in there. A little pepper. I use white pepper. Not a fan of black pepper that much. And a little bit of salt. And mix it for 30 seconds or so, and we are going to continue with the other part of the recipe. All right guys, I just put 4 tablespoons of butter, which is, if you look at your package, see 1, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons. So half of the bar of butter. Put that in there, and we need to add 4 cups of chicken broth. Add a little bit here. Usually it has like maybe 2.5 per box, usually. And this is for your grits. This is the grits part. And the reason I'm doing this one separately is because I want both of them to be almost done at the same time. Shrimps doesn't take that long to be cooked. Maybe 3 minutes, maybe 2, maybe a little bit more, maybe 3. There you go, 3. We need 4, so I'm going to open another one, okay? Okay, so now we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Like I always say, always check for your salt and see if you need to add extra. And if you do, just add a little bit. Okay guys, while it's heating up, I'm just going to add a little bit. I add white pepper, even though it says black pepper on mine. Just add a little bit or as much as you want. Okay guys, this is what I'm doing with our bacon. I'm gonna add a little bit more saltiness to it, and we're just gonna put it on top for the core. Okay guys, so I'm gonna add to this a cup of grits. And I'm just gonna start until it's well cooked. Okay guys, so as you can see, I started heating up so I can put my shrimp really soon. This is getting thicker. Pretty soon I will be adding some of my cheddar cheese, a 3/4 cup of cheddar. If you want to add more, I love cheese, so I would probably put a cup. But anyway, 3/4 cups should be sufficient. Okay guys, so I am multitasking here, keeping an eye on this. Maybe I should lower it a little bit so that I can add the shrimp. I want them both done almost at the same time and serve it simultaneously. Did I say that right? I'm not even sure. At the same time? Okay. You got it, right? You got it. Here we go. I'm gonna put this in. I do not put those little tails. I really don't. I hate them. I really do not like going to a restaurant and having that little tail still on that shrimp, because then you just have to kind of peel it off of it. Just do it already for your customers. Don't leave that tail. So I do it here. I don't leave that little thing so you can be, fighting with it so you can get it out, get as much meat as possible. All right guys, so I'm almost ready on both. Look at my shrimp already turned colors. So, and I think I'm going to be adding my cheddar cheese to my grits. Here you go. All of it, please. There you go. Thank you. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little sriracha here, just because I like it. You can put more if you want. So guys, this is the consistency that you're looking for on your grits. As you can see, I did put 3/4, but I added extra, so put a whole cup, and I taste everything already. It tastes delicious. So I will be plating. This is my shrimp so far. As soon as they turn this color, I stopped, because you don't want to overcook them. So guys, this is what shrimp and grits is supposed to look like. It is humble from the South, very Creole, but it has a style. It has a sense of you want to dig into it and eat, because I guarantee you it is delicious. And I will have someone try it for me, so you can take his word for it. Hey guys, this is Mr. Flatcap, and he is my guinea pig. He's going to eat.
I love being your guinea pig. The grit is good. Let me get a little bit of your shrimp. Oh my God. Like everything you do. Amazing.
So there you have it, guys. straight from the mouth of an expert who has tasted so many dishes from me. Thank you so much. We will see you next Saturday. You all stay blessed, be kind to one another, and you guys have you can see that I have my holiday going on already. So, are you gonna leave me some?
No.
Thank